Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on the RS COSWORTH. In today's video we're going to scrub this up. We ain't washed it since we bought it, and we're going to go around it and give it a full-on painting inspection. Let's work out what we've got to do, what needs painting, what don't, whether we've got to do the whole lot or whether we've just got to do some bits. Let me turn you around and show you. The car's filth, covered in dust and crap. I want to get this all scrubbed up, look at the paint, check it out, work out exactly what we need to do, and then we can go forward from there. I weren't going to film this, I was just going to get on with it and do it, but quite a lot of you said that film it, you want to see it done. So that's what we're doing. I'm going to stop waffling, drag this out, get this scrubbed up. I'll walk you through what chemicals I'm going to use, what I'm going to do with it, and go from there. See you in a bit. There we go. I'm all ready. Just sorted all my buckets out and stuff. Quickly go through what I'm using. So in the wash bucket, using a bit of Built Amber auto wash. In the wheels bucket, I've got a bit of Citrus Pearl by Ultra Bright. Snow foam is the Magic Foam from Ultra Bright. I find that is the best snow foam out there, well, on the market really, but everyone's got their own opinion, but that stuff's really good. In me pump up sprayer, I've got some Citrus Pre-Wash. That's an IK Multi-9, that pump up bottle, in case any of you ask. Jet wash I'm using is from Direct Hoses. This is called a Grey 11, a commercial machine. It's actually been a great bit of kit, apart from their hose. It's been crap. It leaks at the handle down there. I've got another one there for my mate to replace it with. I've just not got round to it. I've got all quick release fittings on mine. I've got a German handle. This is the ST2300. I think it's called a Lutner or something. I've got my stubby lance in. I've got my normal full-size lance over there as well. My wheels bucket, I've got some easy brushes there, a bit of a harder one, soft detailing brush, tyre brush. In my sprayers, this is standard, what I sort of use all the time. In the yellow one, I've got Auto Smart wheels. The red one, I can't actually remember if I've got Red 7 in that or Ultra Bright's fallout remover for the wheels. I can't actually remember what one's in that right this second. One with a blue bottle, G101, and the green bottle, good old-fashioned TFR in that one. In the wash bucket, I've got two mitts. I always use two mitts. Got one for, they're both clean, top half and bottom half of the car, and then I have a Detail Factory soft brush to go around all the edges and stuff. In case any of you want to know what I'm using when I use it. Same again in there, I've got another wash mitt for the wheels, separate. Now, in normal circumstances, I'd use 3 buckets, but because this is going to be getting paint or paint correction, I'm not too fussed about having a rinse bucket. I've got another one under there that we could use, but for this application in general, not fussed. So I'm going to crack on, start with the wheels. Always do wheels first. So let's get these wheels clean and then we can move on to the outside and start scrubbing that up. See you in a bit. we go. That's the wheels all cleaned up. They came out quite nice. There is lacquer peel and that on them. And there is marks and stuff around them. After all the comments, all the other comments, I'm going to refurb them, put them back to standard. I'm not mad on this diamond cut, to be honest. And that's them all scrubbed up. They're a nightmare to get in between the spokes. They don't look too bad, to be fair. Right, let's crack on with the wash and get this thing scrubbed up. See you in a sec. What I'll do, first things first, is I'll blast the car off, get any loose debris off of the car. Then I'm going to go around it, I'm going to put citrus wash on it. Then we'll blast the citrus wash off, and then we'll snow foam it. We'll agitate all the hard to get to areas, and then we'll wash it as normal. So let's crack on with that. That's the pre-rinse done. Citrus wash, snow foam. It's starting to look quite clean actually, cleaner than I thought it would. We can now get on with the wash. It is blooming hot out here, so it's drying very, very, very quick. So we're going to get on with that. Let's get this scrubbed up. See you in a sec. There we go, it's all washed and dried off. Give you an example of what I'm dealing with panel temperature wise. It's mental. Everything I put on is drying proper quick. I'm still in the time lapse as we speak, so you're going to see this after the time lapse. Well, I've literally just run around it and dried it. I'm knackered. Right. It's far too hot out here. Let's get this in the workshop. We can go around it, work out what the hell needs painting, what don't, and what we're going to do from here onwards. See you in a sec. She's in, back to some sort of normality. 25 odd. 28 odd on the roof and that. It was just so hot outside, it was unreal. So, right. Let's have a little butcher's. So, it's actually cleaned up better than I thought. Rear bumper scuff, and we've got some dodgy paint going along on here. So, rear bumper is a definite. We've got a little mark on the tailgate there. Can't quite get my nail in. That probably will polish out, to be fair. We do have some random little marks and stuff in this boot. There's some bird poo etching. In general, tailgate, not too bad. Probably could polish that and make that right. The spoiler has got some bubbling there. I don't know if you can pick that up in the camera. So the spoiler would probably have to be done again. Does look like there's some overspray on the edge where they've done it before. Let's start with the rear quarter. I mean, other than crap on the rubbers, which is clean upable, see these little imperfections? The quarter is not too bad. And the same going up the pillar. That needs, there's possible paint correction there and up there. Now the door definitely needs doing, all lacquer peel and stuff there. And round here, same again. On the top of the door, definitely. The actual rest of the door, pretty good to be fair. Some markings there, that polish, that's not a problem. So, that's not too bad. This door, other than the overspray and everything on this wing mirror, that's actually, well, there's a bit of something on there. So that's actually okay as well, which is pretty good. That's all doable. Yeah, let's check the roof actually. I've got a bit of crap on the rubbers. The roof's not looking terrible. So far, top of this door, which is good. Now the wing is actually fine. Wing's looking pretty good. Front bumper needs paint, most definitely. Some marks around it. It's not that bad this side, to be fair. The bonnet's actually in pretty good order, to be fair. So the bonnet's good. The paint is, doesn't look it, but the paint is quite flat. Is that oh no, it's a bit of stuff. That's all right. It's coming off. I thought that was a scratch. So, wing is okay. Driver's door, we need to do. Someone broke into that at some point. Paint up here, that's okay. So we've got overspray, all crap on that rubber. So we'll have to try and deal with that. About this window frame. That looks all right. And that door's not too bad. So it's actually looking a lot better than I expected. Same again, roof this side. That's all good. Now, that's a bit of a pisser because I've bought about 3 litres of paint for this. We've got some, probably, let's dry it out. We've got a mark down here on the arch. So that needs doing. Back bumper we know. There's a mark down there and it's dropped. Scuff there as well. So we're going to need to sort that. So, rear quarter, that door's fine, but we're repairing that, we're going to have to blend. So, quarter, door, bumper, and bumper. And top of this door, around there. Yeah, it's not bad. It's really not bad. And the spoiler, forgot about the spoiler. So the spoiler's going to need some loving as well. So there we go, guys. Really not looking as bad as I thought it was, to be fair. I think a lot of this, I might be able to sort out a bit of paint correction and a decent bit of polishing. Time to get my detailing gloves on. So yeah, I'm guessing probably going to have to blend the tops of them doors more than likely. I'll figure that out where we're going to go. We might have to blend over here, then we're going to have to do quarter and have to go into that door. So we'll work that out. But yeah, door possibly blend into a few parts around there, both bumpers, and then repair the door lock down here and blend rear door, and then we've got a scuff on the arch, do the arch. Other than that, I think I might have to try bit of paint correction first on the other areas, and the spoiler needs doing as well. So that can we'll try and sort that out as well. So yeah, the wheels are going to get done. I am going to refurb them, get them powder coated back to standard, and we'll sort of go from there. So next time I get a bit of time, I'm going to go lock this away now. On to the Renault for next week. We're going to get some progress made on that little Renault. And then I'll drag this Cosy back in, and the problem I have got is I'm probably going to have to start the paintwork first, because using compounds and stuff is fine around paint, but when you start going up to the polishes, a lot of them don't contain silicone, but some of them do contain silicone, and I'll try and buy stuff that doesn't contain silicone, but if it does, you have to do that after, obviously, because then that causes havoc with my painting. So yeah, it's looking like we're going to do the bodywork first on this. Yeah, but very impressed, and I'm actually happy because I thought I had loads and loads to do on this, and it's turned out a lot less. So I know with working the mojo on that and doing a bit of paint on it, then we're going to have that looking right nice. So that's what we'll do. We're going to wrap it up there. As always, thanks for watching, and big welcome and hello to all the new subscribers. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.